Welcome to the presentation about the information system of IKEA. The content of the presentation include the introduction, the business model, the strategic value of IT, the data model, the database, the query information, and the recommendation. Let's look at its introduction. IKEA is the world's largest furniture retailer, which is found in 1943 in Sweden. Its vision is to create a better everyday life for the many people. Then is the business model. IKEA developed 4P strategy, which include product, price, place, and promotion. Let's look at it in details. The product strategy includes 3 parts: the offering, the service, and the food retailing. IKEA provides a wide range of different design, different function, different style of products. And then let's look at the service. IKEA is a service-oriented company because its focus is not only on furniture itself but on solutions to real-life problems and contribute to a better life. Then is the food retailing. IKEA provides cheap Swedish food and delicious delicacies. Next, we are going to talk about IKEA's price strategy. IKEA provides low price strategy and cost control strategy. For the low price strategy, the market positioning statement of IKEA is: we do your parts, you do yours. Together we save money. IKEA providing low price products to make people live a better life rather than selling expensive things that a few people can afford. For the cost control strategy, IKEA control the cost by providing the customer self-service in locating, collecting, transporting, and assembling. There are not too many shop assistants in a store. It can save operational expense, and the large volumes and flat page also save the cost. By making innovation and creativity, it also saves the cost. Then let's look at the place strategy. The place strategy includes multi-channel retailing, layout, distribution, supply chain. For the multi-channel retailing, it includes physical stores, internet retail, and mail order. For the layout and shop fitting, it is one of the most striking things for IKEA store is the deliberately designed layout, which reflects the company's values. For distribution, the majority of IKEA's products are ready to be assembled by customers. It is transported by flat package, which reduces the production and transport costs. In the meantime, the flat pack means more goods can be transported, which greatly boosts the efficiency of its business. The fourth one is the supply chain. IKEA are looking for suppliers from all over the world and always relies on long-term relationships with its selected suppliers. Let's look at the promotion strategy. The promotion strategy includes the advertisements, the catalogs, and public relations. For the advertisement, IKEA often advertises on local newspaper or on TV to encourage people shopping and by doing so to raise awareness of its brand's value. For the catalog, IKEA produced more than 100 million copies of catalogs. Its aim is to raise customers' consciousness of the IKEA brand value. What's more, it printed its catalog with the usage of green paper to show the environmental friendly value and social responsibility. The third one is public relations. IKEA establishes a good relationship with the public to build a good corporate image and gains social favorability. Then let's look at the strategic value of IT. The strategic value of IT includes two parts. The first part, IT strategy of IKEA. The second part, IT strategy value. The IT strategy of IKEA includes 8 parts. The first part is IKEA sales. When we talk about IKEA sales, we always pay attention to IKEA e-shopping instead of the traditional sales. Information systems make it possible for IKEA to make sure the online shopping efficient and correct. The second part is the IKEA website. The website for IKEA is very tidy and simple. As a result, it makes customers to know what to do next. The third part is IKEA Family. IKEA Family is a club members clubs of IKEA which can collect customer data. The fourth one is IKEA Design Software. IKEA Design Software provides customers with an opportunity to furnish their kitchen, bedroom, and office with IKEA products. Customers can act as a designer to design their own room. Next is the IKEA distribution. Information system make it possible that IKEA to share information with one another efficiently, handle orders, and communicate with suppliers and customers easily. Next is the IKEA communication. IKEA is equipped with state-of-the-art IT tools which follow up orders step by step in order to provide customers with accurate information. Next is the IKEA new area. With the development of the technology, there appears lots of new IT products like Facebook, Twitter. IKEA also keep pace with these new IT products. Finally is the IKEA finance system. IKEA is always trying to improve the efficiency of finance. Now, IKEA uses CODF financial accounting system to manage IKEA's finance. With the use of those IT strategy, IKEA creates its own value, includes tangible value and intangible value. The tangible value include increased sales or profits, increased market share, increased efficiency, and decrease in operation costs. The intangible value includes improved information, improved communications, improved effectiveness and flexibility, and improved brand image. And now let's look at the data model and the database. Firstly, here is the ER diagram of IKEA website. There is a complex and precise data model running behind the front page web page of IKEA, which is made up of 6 entities: the customer, order, items, articles, article category, payments, and stores. The most of the relationships between them are one-to-many. For instance, because one customer might make more than one order, and one order is only made by one customer, the relationship between customer and order is one-to-many. There is only one-to-one relationship, as one payment can only be related to one order, and one order can only have one payment. The relationship between payment and order is one-to-one. Next, we are going to talk about the query information. We perform one query in Access according to the database we have already created. The SQL is about searching for all original Swedish food from IKEA online shop. We prefer that searching results are sorted by price low to high, and this is the result. Finally, we are going to talk about recommendation. We provide 5 suggestions for IKEA website to make an improvement. The first one is to set a recent view history bar to help customers find the items they have ever searched. The second one is to set a customer review column to support customer making decisions. And the third one is to set popular items to show the items that many people have voted. And the fourth one is to post a function about items comparison to help customers compare different items. And finally is to provide a 360-degree view of the products. This is all our presentation. Thank you for watching.